Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. While I'm crossing the street here, trying not to get killed. Alright, I made it. So yes, we are back at it. It is dark and very cold. It's around 0, maybe -1 degrees. And I am in this industrial area here, quite close to where I live. And the thing is that my mom is sending me a package from the Netherlands for the children, you know, for Christmas already. And actually ended up at the wrong pickup point. Normally I pick it up at the shopping mall, like exactly where I live, really close, but somehow it ended up here in a store called WiLLY's. And WiLLY's is a big supermarket, and I guess they have some kind of postal pickup point there. But I never really go to this area. It's a completely new area here in Häggvik, which is part of Sollentuna. And yeah, it looks quite nice, brand new, so I thought let's bring you guys to the supermarket and these other shops. So on the other side we have a few other, you know, shops. It's the full area. I think they have a big electronics store. Maybe we can even have a look in there. It's called El Giganten. But yeah, we'll find out. Well, we also find out if they let me into the stores, because I'm, you know, not 100% sure about that either. Because usually those big electronic stores, they have like a security guard at the entrance. So let's find out. Actually, let's hope I brought my driver's license, otherwise they won't even let me pick up the package. But yeah, we'll find out. It's a big parking lot here. So here is the City Gross, which is the other supermarket, which is actually the one I prefer, but this is the Apotek, which is the pharmacy, a really big one for Swedish standards. What else do we got here? WiLLY's. Very nice. All right, let's go into the store here. All right, so here's the postal servers and the till. Let's not go there. I don't know if you have that in your country, but in Sweden, like scanning the products yourself is really big now. So you can basically just scan all the products in the store and then pay in the end. All right, what do we got here? Some flowers and the bread section. Oh, this is really good. They're already having the Christmas stuff. This is called lussekatter with saffron in it. Saffron taste, really nice. I was at the supermarket before, but everyone was telling me that I was going too fast. So I will try to go a little slower, look at the prices. Bread is actually very expensive in Sweden. Like here you can see, like regular bread, it's almost €3. See, these ones are a bit cheaper, just the toast. And they have some deals, but the really good bread is like somewhere between 2 and €3, which I think is very expensive. So here we have the vegetable section, tomatoes. Potatoes, which are like 120 or 140 per kilo. Onions and all that, and all the other vegetables. I guess this is all pretty standard stuff in most countries. Oh, nice, they already received so many Christmas things. So here they have the pepperkaker, like cinnamon cookies. Very nice. Everyone eats these at work during December and all that. Oh, this is super Swedish as well. Like, here, look. Saffron cheese in a tube. Alright, I'm not trying that. That doesn't sound too good. But yeah, they love everything in the tube here. Yeah, these kind of things. Very Christmas-y. I'm getting hungry now. All the different buns and stuff like that. Here we have like the fresh pasta, things like that. And here, of course, knäckebröd in every shape you can imagine. Like, we call it sometimes also tunnbröd, which basically means thin bread. See, so they sell them in these big round shapes. They have them with different, you know, tastes already, also like flavors like sour cream and onion, tomato, basil. So they already have the flavor in the actual cookie or whatever you want to call it. See, there are the tubes again, like shrimps and things like that. So it's like cheese flavor mixed with like fish taste, and that you put on knäckebröd. This is also interesting. It looks like Coke, but it's julmust, which is basically something like a Christmas drink. All the different types of fish here in like, I don't know exactly what it is, but things like herring and all that kind of stuff. I don't really eat fish, so not really sure. All the meat, that's for sure not my thing because I'm a vegetarian. The cheese, all the juices. So juice I think is really expensive as well. Here, like a cheap juice, €2.30. Oh, we got all the Christmas wrapping things. Oh, Christmas drinks. Like beer with Christmas flavor. Whatever Christmas flavor is, I don't know. Ah, glögg. I don't know if you guys have this, but it's basically like warm wine. I mean, these ones are without alcohol, but at the Systembolaget they also sell them with alcohol. Alrighty. What do we got here? Oh, this is more of an Asian corner. Oh, your chili sauce, your soy sauce, mushroom sauce, sweet and sour. Yes, a lot of Asian flavors here. Coconut milk. Oh, this is obviously, here's the start of Mexico, I would say. Tacos. Here in Sweden, it's very common to have like a Taco Friday. So you eat tacos, but it's more like not the Mexican style tacos, more like an American Tex-Mex kind of thing. So a lot of families with children, they eat like tacos on Friday. Probably we will as well tomorrow. Alright, some frozen food, that's not that interesting. More cans. Ketchup, of course, in many different varieties. Oh yeah, of course, some more Christmas stuff. Alright, my favorite section, the chips. Let's have a look. What else do we got here? Sombrero. Popcorn. Oh. Paprika. This one I like. This one, hey. So, quite funny because I actually need quite a lot of stuff in here, but I can't really buy things while holding the camera, so after this I have to make the same round once again, but then actually going shopping. So yeah, but I do the best I can. Toothpaste, peanuts, soda. Never drink soda actually, but as little as I can anyway. Oh, Dr. Pepper. Classic. It's like a love or hate thing here, Dr. Pepper. How much does it cost? 69 cents. Pepsi, Fanta, yeah, you got it all here. The more no brand bottles. Cuba Cola. Oh yes, coffee. So the one I usually buy is this one. This one, yes. Gevalia Organic. The tea here. So yeah, so in Sweden it's like this. They do sell beers, but it's only, so it's either 2.8% or 3.5%. So it's really expensive, almost 140 for one can of Staropramen. And it's not even real beer, so it's just a medium strength, you know, it's not like full 5% beer. So some tourists, they go here to the supermarket, they think they're buying real beer, but they're not, because they only sell that at the government shop. Oh, nice. It's a good box. Ah, Christmas advent calendar. Feel a bit like a tour guide here in the supermarket. Feels a bit awkward. Oh, these are good. It's basically 100% sugar, but they're very nice. Skumma grisar. And chocolate. The candy section. It's quite common even for adults to eat candy in Sweden. Oh, these ones I had as a kid. Hubba Bubba. Can make massive big bubbles with those. All right, what else here? Candles. Magazines, of course, always taking the piss of the royal family, as usual. Some DVDs, like if someone still buys those. All right, I think I haven't been in that corner yet over there. Let's have a look. Oh, this is pretty nice, where you can make your own like lunch, put it together. You just grab your favorite ingredients and weigh it, and then pay per gram or whatever. Cheese. Oh, halloumi is on special. I love halloumi, it's so tasty, especially if you fry it. Oh, this is very popular right now, oat milk. I started to drink it as well, really like it. All right, let's go back to the front and actually go and get my package. Toilet paper. If there's only one thing you have to buy, it's toilet paper. That's it. Ah, dog food. Alrighty, I think that was it here from the supermarket. Let's actually buy something. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.